welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sharia Brooks and I'm back with another video. So today's video is a product review on the Duvolle skincare system. I do have it out of the packaging because I do use it on a frequent and daily basis. So I'm gonna just give you guys my thoughts and show some clips on how I use it. First and foremost, if you guys are new to my channel, hello, my name is Sharia and my channel is all things like lifestyle, single momhood, because I am a mother of two, and skincare, beauty, like a little bit of everything. I love bits and pieces of everything, so that's what you guys will see on this channel. So Duvolle was super kind enough to send me this product to review for you guys. And I absolutely love it. I've had it for quite some time. I like to personally take my time when it comes to reviewing items, and I know it drives the companies crazy, and I'm so sorry guys for the late review on this product. I do love it. I just sometimes it takes me a while to get used to something, and when I review something for you guys, I want to make sure I know the ins and outs of it. Like, I have a background in retail for one, and like high-end skincare, makeup, and beauty. So when it comes to products, I don't take products lightly. I definitely do my research. I try them out for a while to see like how my skin's gonna first react, and if my skin's gonna get used to it, if I'm gonna experience any breakouts. Because with skincare systems, your skin can break out because it's like pushing out the impurities. So you experience breakouts in that time frame. So I just wanted to cover all my bases. So thank you so much to the company for being very patient with me when it came to this review. So let's go ahead and get started. If you guys are interested, go ahead and subscribe. If you're not subscribed already, go ahead and sign up for the notifications and select that little bell down below, wherever it is on the on your screen, and let's go ahead and jump right in. So the system, it comes with two different brushes. I will include a clip in this video because my bathroom is literally a mess right now, you guys, and I can't find anything, so sorry. It comes with two different setting brushes, so a deeper like an exfoliating brush and then a brush for sensitive skin. It also comes with a pumice connector, you know, for your feet. And it comes with a body brush. I like to use the exfoliating brush because I like to exfoliate my skin whenever I take off my makeup and whenever I'm cleansing my skin, because I wear makeup on a frequent basis. Not so much anymore since we're in quarantine, and I mean, like, I don't really have anywhere to go. Back onto the review. Okay, so when you first use this brush, I'm gonna include a clip so you can see like what the process is. I honestly feel like it massages your skin so deeply. It literally like moves my skin and it feels like a facial massage. And if you guys didn't know, I went to school for massage therapy as well. So that same pressure and like that deep pressure, if you let the skin brush do its thing. So basically just like let it sit on your skin and just like let it move around. Make sure your baby hairs though, guys, are like pulled back, because it will take your hairs and it will like dwindle up in the product on the brush. And if you guys can't see, there's literally a piece of hair right here because it caught my baby hairs, okay? So you want to definitely make sure your hair is pulled up, pulled back. Another thing I would say when it comes to using the Duvolle skincare system is that you want to put your facial cleanser on your skin first, because as you guys will see in this video, if you put it directly on your skin brush and start cleansing your skin, it's going to go everywhere. Like, I have the Clarisonic, and the Clarisonic, I've never experienced the product like going everywhere whenever I put it directly on the brush, opposed to the Duvolle skincare system. And in comparison, the Duvolle system is much smaller head, so that's probably why the product goes everywhere, because the head is smaller opposed to the Clarisonic. The Clarisonic has more ground to cover, and this one is like more focused, which I also do like. And you know, this one's short and stubby, this one's like long. You got like a good grip, which I like, especially when you're using the body brush in the shower. It really like, you can like really like stretch out without like being so close to the skin. This is like so small, right? This is like much longer, so you have more ground to cover in that regard. So definitely make sure you put your cleanser on your face first and then go in, because then you won't get product everywhere. As you guys can see, the product is like shooting up at me, and I've been trying to like learn different ways to like combat that, because when we wash our face, we don't want our products everywhere. I'm gonna just keep it real with you guys. This is a review and this is my honest review. On to the good part that I love about this brush. I love the fact that it's battery operated. However, you can put it in the shower, so it does not mess up. And it does take, let me see. Okay, I just put on lotion, so my hands are super slippery, but I'll put all of the like all the specifications in the description box below, so you guys can go ahead and check that out. It does take 2 batteries, I believe, and you're all set. I've had my batteries in this thing for a few months. I've had this product for a couple months now, guys, and I know I'm just now putting out a review because, again, I don't take products and skincare items lightly. I always take my time when I'm using them just to see how my skin is going to react from day 1 to week 2 to like 3 months. I know that's just me personally. Like, I'm super anal when it comes to my skin because I take pride in having really good skin, especially being my late 20s. So if you guys can see, like, my skin, like, it's so clear. My complexion is so even. And if anything, I have like a couple acne scars that I'm still working on getting rid of them. But right now I'm using like a new vitamin C serum. So if you guys want to like an updated skincare routine video, let me know. This video is strictly for review purposes because I didn't want to focus on other products really in this video. I just wanted to specifically focus on the Duvolle skincare system. So yeah, I can definitely appreciate the fact how it's like a self-care system in one. And gratefully, I do have a coupon code for you guys if you guys are interested in picking up this skincare system. It is 70% off, which is awesome. So all you gotta do is use my code Sharia, and I'll pop it on the screen as well, so you guys can definitely save some coins and get 70% off. And if you guys do use my code, I do get a small commission from it, but ultimately it's your decision, no pressure. I just wanted to throw that out there. This product was sent to me for free to review, so but everything I'm telling you guys is my honest review. I definitely think it's worth it. I take pride in having nice skin, clear skin, and an even complexion, and I honestly can say that this skincare system brush does do what it needs to do. It gets the job done for the price. It's amazing. Like, you can't beat it. So again, thank you to the company Duvolle for providing me this product to review for you guys, and thank you also to the company Duvolle for giving me the coupon code for my subscribers, so you guys can have the opportunity to use this brush as well and get that glowy skin. Girl, it's about to be summertime. It's like 90 degrees in Northern California, and it's so hot, so of course you want like that glowing, glistening skin. So I feel like right now is the perfect time to pick up this product. Am I missing anything? I don't know. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below in the description box. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys, and thank you again to the company for providing me this item to try. I'm obsessed with it. I absolutely love it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So again, please do let me know what you guys want to see in the description, in the comments down below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and go ahead and check the description box for more details on this product. Okay, so I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one.